Hello everyone, this is Dr.Syamala Devi from the Department of MBA International Business Management Studies, Acharya Nagarjuna University. Okay, and today's our topic is related to matrix organizational structure. Okay, in previous classes we have studied about functional, divisional, project organizational structure, and the last one is matrix organizational structure in modern methods of organization structure. Okay, now what is a matrix organizational structure? So, if we introduce about the matrix organization structure means the search for better and faster ways to develop the products and to respond to customer needs. All these led to the companies to choose a matrix structure. Okay, why means in order to meet the customer needs, in order to meet the requirements of the customers. Okay, we have to develop our products, okay, and we have to respond very quickly to the customer needs. Why? Because in order to sustain in the market, in order to sustain in the competitive environment, definitely we are forced to adopt this matrix organizational structure. Okay, as many of the companies choose this type of organizational structure. Okay, and an organizational design that groups people and resources in two ways simultaneously. Okay, so this structure, matrix organizational structure, means it is a design, organizational design, combining the group of people and resources. Okay, these two are the main aspects in the matrix organizational structure. If you want to say in one word means, okay, both the project and functional organizational structure, combination of those project and functional organizational structure leads to matrix organizational structure. Okay, so in the context of organizational design, a matrix is a rectangular grid that shows a vertical flow of functional responsibility and a horizontal flow of a product responsibility. If we show the see this figure means, we can see like see the structure can be seen like this. Organizational structure of matrix means here a vertical flow from production manager to production group to another group. Likewise, a line authority can be seen here. Okay, for example, if we go for this project A manager, okay, project A manager, these are all the functions of the organization: production function, finance function, marketing function, research and development function. Okay, these are the different departments in an organization, and this is one of the project A, project B, project C. Okay, but if we talk about the project A means, okay, under project we will see the production department, finance department, marketing department, personal department. Okay, all these departments in project A. So by this we can say that a vertical flow of, vertical means production manager to production group, finance manager to finance group, marketing manager, next level is marketing group. Okay, so these people are responsible to production manager, finance group responsible to finance manager. At the same time, they are responsible to the project A manager also. Means we are seeing here the vertical flow, and at the same time a horizontal flow also seen. Okay, flow of a product responsibility here. Okay, here we see functional responsibility, here we will see the product related responsibility. Understand? So matrix means it is a combination of both the project and functional departmental organizational structure. Okay, so these subordinates are responsible to functional head as well as the project head. Okay, means functional responsibility and at the same time product responsibility also seen in these subordinates. Okay, the same applies to the project B also. So project B manager, he the production group, finance group, marketing group, personal group, these are all the functions of the organization. Okay, these subordinates are responsible to the functional heads. Okay, production group to production manager, finance group to finance manager, marketing group to marketing manager. Okay, likewise personal group to R&D manager. Okay, and at the same time this is vertical flow, and if we see this horizontal means this production, finance, marketing, all these are responsible to product related manager, that is project manager B. Okay, so we can see that see finally the matrix structure is having or is a vertical flow of functional responsibility and a horizontal flow of product responsibility. Okay, and and if we see the organization itself is very flat. Okay, having minimum hierarchical levels within each function and decentralized authority also. Okay, so if we see in the same figure, if we see means here, um, the levels that we are seeing here, the organization is uh, the project A is confined to this this functional department only, so the hierarchical levels are less. Okay, the project manager is directly dealing with the functional head and then the general manager, so the levels of management are less, so we can say that this is a flat structure. Okay, and having a primal hierarchical levels within each function and decentralized authority also can be seen in each function. Why means production manager is concentrated on his production department and production group. Okay, likewise finance department, finance manager is concentrated in his finance department and related to finance group in project A. Likewise marketing, he also concentrated on project A with marketing group, project B with marketing group, project C with marketing group only, so they are confined to this particular department only. So we can say that organization itself is a very flat. Okay, flat, having a primary hierarchical level, this is the first one. Okay, primary hierarchical level within each function and decentralized authority. So decentralized production department is decentralized to this department, and finance, they are having their authority. Okay, so they can delegate their authority to finance group, so they concentrate on this department. And coming to another one, another feature is functional employees report to the heads of their respective functions. Okay, so functional employees means these people. Okay, production manager, under production manager there is a production group regarding project A. Okay, so these people report directly to the production manager. Okay, and but do not work under their direct supervision, not under the direct supervision, they are having project A manager. Okay, but they are under the guidance of this functional head. Production manager is the functional head for this production group. Okay, and instead the work of a functional personnel is determined primarily by membership in one of several cross-functional product teams under the leadership of a product manager. So functional personnel is determined, okay, primarily by the membership of one of several cross-functional product. So cross-functional product, all these are all the production related groups regarding different projects. Okay, but are headed by this production head. So this person sees all these production groups of different projects. Okay, and the members of the team are called two boss employees. Okay, the members means the production group, finance group, marketing group, personal group of different projects. Okay, all these subordinates or all these employees of team are called two boss employees. Two boss employees means if we take project A, this production, finance, marketing, personal, all these employees are responsible to their respective functional department as well as the project manager. Okay, if we take production means these employees are responsible to production head, at the same time project A manager. Or else if we go for next finance, so these employees are responsible to financial manager or the department head of the finance, and as well as project A manager. Okay, likewise two boss system can be seen in these employees. Okay, Therefore, matrix means the role and authority relationships are deliberately left vague because the underlying assumption of matrix structure is that when team members are given more responsibility than they have formal authority, they are forced to cooperate to get the job done. Okay, so this is the thing, the feature in the matrix structure. Okay, so the roles and authority relationships are deliberately left vague. Okay, and if we see the types in matrix organizational structure. Okay, so we can see three different structures in the matrix organization. One is weak matrix, balanced matrix, strong matrix. Okay, so regarding the authority, okay, authority of this functional manager or project manager, who is having more authority. Okay, so this can be studied under these three heads. Okay, so if at all we are having weak matrix, means how the power sharing will be between is a functional manager more or project manager has more authority. Okay, likewise in these three aspects we will study the matrix organizational structure. First one, if we see weak matrix means, so under weak matrix, so we will see functional managers will be there, and at the same time here project managers will be there. Okay, but here in weak matrix, okay, weak matrix, the the project manager will be very near close to the functional manager. Okay, and he acts, project manager in weak matrix organizational structure acts as a part-time role. Okay, the employees or the project manager, they will play part-time role. Okay, because they have only the limited authority, limited power. Okay, they may not exceed or they may not go beyond the functional manager. Why? Because here in weak matrix, functional manager exercises more authority and more power. So therefore in weak matrix structure, okay, the project manager has limited authority and he plays a part-time role in this weak type of matrix organizational structure. If we see balanced matrix organizational structure, the power sharing will be equal, balanced between the functional manager and the project manager. Okay, so here we can see that project manager plays the role of full time, not part time. If we see in weak matrix means, there we will see the part time role. Okay, but here in this balanced matrix, the functional managers and at the same time the project managers have the same equal power. Okay, so therefore the authority is also more and they can exercise the decision making. Okay, coming to strong matrix. So under strong matrix, here the full-time project manager acts as full-time person. Okay, here strong means under strong matrix, project manager has most authority and power. He enjoys more authority, more power. He can take a decision making. Okay, own decision making. Therefore, under strong matrix structure, 90% of authority and power vest with project manager. Okay, so the staff they contact more with, they are responsible more with the project manager rather than functional manager, even though they have to communicate to functional manager at the same time project manager. Okay, the more power vest with project manager, decision making vest with project manager. Okay, so under strong matrix, project manager has more authority and power. So therefore these are the three uh, matrix organizational structures. Okay, and now if we see the advantages or the benefits of organizational structure means, okay, so highly visible, improves project management control, more support from functional areas, and these are the disadvantages. Okay, the cons of the matrix organizational structure, like requires extra administration, requires more than one boss, more complex to monitor and control. Why? Because of too many people involved, both project side and functional side likewise. Okay, so if we see at a glance of all the both project wise and functional wise activities, how would be the organizational structure in these weak, balanced and strong aspects. Okay, so if we see first one, functional and project. Okay, so under weak, okay, so under weak organizational matrix structure, if we see means there will be limited authority for project manager. Okay, okay, limited authority for project managers. Okay, and compared to project manager, functional manager has little, okay, of the power. Okay, and coming to, if we see the project manager's authority in balanced means, under balanced matrix we will see reasonable authority. Okay, so under balanced, both are sharing the, both functional and project manager shares the authority. Okay, so therefore how would be the managers, project managers authority means reasonable authority can be seen. If we go for strong means, we will see high level of authority for project manager. Okay, now coming to who manages the project budget. Okay, so here functional manager will see the budget. Okay, where in week. Okay, so why? Because in week project manager acts as a part-time manager, and at the same time he doesn't have any authority. Therefore the budget will be seen under weak matrix by functional manager. If we go for balanced means, under balanced, so power sharing is equally shared, balanced between the functional and project manager. Therefore here budget also seen by both functional and project manager. And under strong, only project manager manages the project of the budget. Okay, so why? Because here full authority is given to project manager but not to functional manager. Okay, and if we see the third aspect, project manager's role. Okay, authority completed, budget completed, and coming to role of the project manager. So role of project manager under week. Okay, part time. So under week, we know from first onwards, we are seeing that the matrix organizational structure for project manager will be the part-time. But coming to balanced, under balanced, both functional and project manager shares the authority. So therefore full-time can be exercised there. And the same applicable to the strong also. Why? Because under strong, only the project manager sees, only the project manager has the authority, only the project manager sees the project budget. Okay, he plays important role in the strong matrix organizational structure. In and coming to project management, administrative staff. Okay, so part-time, they also the employees also will be the part-time. Here also under balanced part-time, but under only strong management, under strong matrix organizational structure, the administrative staff will work full-time. Okay, so this is a glance, a whole summary regarding the matrix organizational structure. Okay, and this is the organizational chart regarding the matrix organizational structure. Okay, we know both functional and project, two both integration leads to the matrix organizational structure. Okay, and coming to advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so it helps to focus attention, talent and resources on a single project individually, which facilitates better planning and control. Okay, so we can see more attention can be seen. Why? Because more attention, more resources. Okay, okay, this type of structure allows resources to be maximized because of how equipment and employees are shared across projects. So that's why we can see maximum utilization of resources, and at the same time we can focus on the attention of the employees also. Okay, so employee work across multiple projects within various departments. So we see different functional departments, we see this side functional departments and this side projects. Okay, so all the employees will be working in different projects in the same organization, so we can see the increased teamwork. Okay, at the same time more utilization, optimum utilization of resources also. Okay, so they are sharing the projects across the projects all over the organization, so it is more flexible than traditional functional structures. Okay, so flexibility changes easily, changes can be seen. Okay, so and it provides an environment in which professionals can test their competence and make maximum contributions. Okay, so this increases the employee professional development. So this matrix structure allows employees, okay, to work across the wide variety of projects, and this leads to the development of the employees. Okay, and they utilize and learn different skills also. Okay, so professionalism can be seen, competence is seen,